that? Nimnandi. But I know it's giving that vibe, ne? Jokesy guys, what's up beautiful people? My name is Asanda and welcome back to my channel. So by the title of this video, you guys should know that kuya sekenzo on this video, like we are working hard. So we are going to be doing an unboxing, an assembly, and we are going to mount the TV onto the TV unit. So I bought this TV unit from Fair Price, and this was an online purchase. And I don't want to lie to you guys, the service from Fair Price is terrible, especially if you are an online client, because you don't have a contact person. I don't know how many stores that I try to call that are in my radius to come and assist me with assembling the stand, because when you purchase the stand or TV unit online, they tell you that there is a free assembly that will happen within 7 days after your purchase. And I want to tell you guys that it took me a month to actually get the stand assembled, because I had to source other people to come and do it for me, because I just did not get any assistance from Fair Price. So if you'd like to buy this TV unit, I would advise that you buy it in store, so that at least you have, I don't know, some way to go to when the people who are supposed to come to assist you with the assembly don't come. So yeah, that's that. Otherwise, the TV unit is absolutely gorgeous. The quality is amazing for the price. So yeah guys, without wasting any more of your time, let's jump right into this video. So okay guys, here this TV unit came in, I think, 3 boxes. The 2 boxes had the pieces of wood that you see there, and the other one had the tools and the screws and the legs for the TV unit. And yeah, it was a lot of work, I'm not gonna lie, but girl ithengile into eyithandayo, so we just have to make it work. So yeah guys, I'm gonna stop talking now and let you watch how we actually do this TV unit assembling thing. Guys, if I don't share this with you, you guys are gonna come for me if one of you purchases this TV unit. We struggled guys, we struggled a lot with this assembly, because the manual that we were given is not specific to this TV unit. So the pieces of wood that we need to put together are not the same as the ones on the manual. So we had to literally figure things out as we go, and it was a lot, shame, I'm not gonna lie. I think it took us almost 3 hours to get this thing together. And yeah, all I can tell you is prepare yourself, Sana. We took a break somewhere, somehow. We had some juice and some snacks, because wow, it was a lot. Otherwise, yes, anyamezela sana, because we really didn't have a choice. So yeah guys, let the work continue. guys, lafika sana ithemba lam xa sendibona kufakwa iminyango ndaqonda yabona ngoku, we're almost there. We are almost there. But Shem, I'm not gonna lie, I think maybe it would have been quicker if Abantu Base Fair Price came through for me, because I mean they're used to doing these assemblies most every now and then. So yeah, but Kewe too, we tried our best, Shem. I'm not gonna lie, we really tried our best, and yeah, it looks good. It looks promising. Iyeza iyadibana sana le nqwelo. So guys, at this point I was extremely excited because this is Faga E bracket on the TV, and I was just like, yeah, we're almost done. And then this is clean a messy, oh my word. But Geshem, I was just super excited because we were done with the assembly. We were just going to mount the TV, and yeah, the project would be done. I'm so excited, you guys. We were officially done. Yeah guys, this looks absolutely gorgeous. I decided to take another video the following day so that you can see the stand with better lighting. I absolutely love it. Kesana. Otherwise, this is the TV unit, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.